Hi guys! Do you have some silverware that has lost its shine and would you like to make it look beautiful again? Well, I received some beautiful vintage, I would say, silverware just recently. So this beautiful cake lifter, and then I don't know, this is some kind of a knife, and I wanted to try to get them really nice and shiny like they look now using my favorite ingredient or my favorite cleaning thing, the baking soda. Take a heat-proof dish where you can fit the parts or the pieces that you want to clean. Then cover it with some aluminium foil and place your silver on the aluminium foil. Now you want to cover the silver pieces very well with the baking soda. I also added some just at the bottom of the form that I'm using. I ended up using 3 heaped teaspoons for these 2 pieces. And then you want to pour over some hot boiling water. And you want the water to cover all the pieces completely. Now set a timer for 15 minutes and allow them to sit in that hot water. So the 15 minutes is gone and you can see already that there is some change. So the pieces have become cleaner, but it still doesn't look perfect, or at least I wasn't happy with the result at this point. So I decided to try to scrub the pieces a little bit with a soft sponge. You could also probably use just a soft cloth or anything similar, but be sure to use something very soft because otherwise you might scratch the silvers. Once you have strained the water, you can see on the aluminium foil all of the dirt that came from the silver. So all those brownish parts are the dirt from the silver. And at this point, because I wasn't 100% happy with how the silvers looked, I decided to do another round and did the same steps that I described in the beginning to get the silver nice and shiny. So again, use the soft side of the sponge. Don't use the harsh green side, which will scratch the silver. And once you're happy with the results, just wash the silvers with some cold water to wash all that baking soda off, because otherwise it will leave some white marks, and then dry it with a clean paper towel. Here you can see I did actually scratch the silver from the other side because I tried to scrub it with the baking soda directly on the silver. So don't do that, but use this method instead. So here you can see how beautiful and shiny the silver is compared to how it looked at the beginning. I am very happy with the results, and I hope you will also find this tutorial helpful and it will help you clean your silvers and bring out their shine again. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for some more useful tutorials and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.